Hello, and welcome to another laptop salvage video. Before we get started, make sure that the laptop charger and other cables are not plugged into the computer. Don't forget to remove any media, external media readers, or external drives. Check to see if the laptop is powered down. It is recommended to place the laptop on an electrostatic discharge mat and to use the proper tools suggested by the computer's manufacturer. The Dell Latitude 5411. In this video, we will be removing the display assembly and the LCD screen. To remove the display assembly from the palm rest, unscrew the four M2.5 by 5 screws that secure the display hinges. I'm using the iFixit screwdriver with a number 0 tip. Carefully remove the display, touchscreen, and camera cable bundle from the holding clips on the chassis. Okay. Gently lift the palm rest up. Try to support the hinges with my fingers. Try to straighten out the hinges a bit more. There we go. And it's separated. To remove the LCD screen from the assembly, first take off the front bezel. Use a plastic scribe or spudger to pry open the bottom edge of the display bezel, beginning from the recesses near the hinges. Work your way around the edges of the display bezel to release it from the display back cover. There is a layer of adhesive helping to hold the bezel to the LCD display. Try not to scratch the screen as you work. And the bezel. Unscrew the two M2.5 by 3 screws that secure the display panel to the display assembly. Okay, I'm going to use a spudger, try to pry it up. Lift and turn over the display panel to access the display cable. Peel the conductive tape off the display cable connector. Lift the coated wire latch and disconnect the display cable from the connector on the display panel. Remember that salvaging laptops is worthwhile. You can use the parts to refurbish another computer, you can sell the parts online, and you are keeping more e-waste out of our overflowing landfills. Thank you for watching. If you learned something, please click the like button. Look for the playlist here on our channel that covers more components of the Latitude 5411. Be sure to subscribe as we will be salvaging several different models of laptops.